In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the Revolut Business mobile app, step by step. Whether you have an Android device or an iPhone, this guide is designed to help you get started quickly and easily. So, let's dive right in and ensure that by the end of this video, you'll have the Revolut Business mobile app ready to use on your device. First, let's begin by finding the app stores on your mobile device. If you're using an Android device, you will need to open the Google Play Store. For those of you on an iPhone, go ahead and open the App Store. These are your digital marketplaces where you can access countless apps, including the one we're focusing on today. Next, once you have your App Store open, it's time to search for the app. In the search bar, type in Revolut Business. Keep an eye out for the official app, which you can recognize by the Revolut logo, a white R on a blue background. It's crucial to ensure that the app is developed by Revolut Business, as this confirms you're downloading the authentic and official version. Now that you've located the app, you're ready to install it. For Android users, tap Install. If you're on an iPhone, simply tap Get. The app will begin downloading and installing on your device. This process is typically swift, usually taking less than a minute. So sit tight for just a moment, and soon you'll be ready to move on to the next step. Once the app has successfully installed, tap Open to launch it. You should now see the Revolut Business welcome screen, presenting you with options to either sign in or create an account. This is where you can begin accessing your business account functionalities. If you're already a Revolut Business user, go ahead and tap Sign In and enter the email and password associated with your account. If you're new to Revolut Business, no worries. Just tap on Sign Up and follow the easy on-screen instructions to register your business and create an account. Before you start enjoying all the features, the app might prompt you to enhance your account security. You'll have the option to enable Face ID, fingerprint login, or two-factor authentication, providing an extra layer of security for your account. Select the option that is most convenient and secure for you, and follow the prompts to set it up. And there you have it. You've successfully downloaded and installed the Revolut Business mobile app on your device. With the app ready to use, a world of business financial services is at your fingertips. If this step-by-step guide was helpful for you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell for more straightforward step-by-step tech tutorials.